We're done with the old model where the leader is isolated at the top and very much disconnected from pretty much everyone and everything else, especially disconnected from their teams. So if you're the kind of leader that is at the beginning of your people leadership journey, if you've just been promoted to leading a team or to managing a team, or you're an aspiring leader, you want to get there and you don't even know where to start, who's going to support you? What kind of resources are you getting? Where do you even start your leadership journey? How can you lead different? How can you be a different kind of leader? The kind of leader that people want to follow, not run away from. The kind of leader that inspires instead of intimidates. And the kind of leader that really motivates and engages their team. And also feels that they're growing and they're enjoying their own leadership journey and their own leadership transformation path. So if you're this kind of leader, you might want to join us in the Lead for Legacy League. And this is a program that's different from other leadership programs out there in that you become a leaguer, and once a leaguer, you're always a leaguer. Other leadership programs, they have a clear start and end date. This is your continuous leadership development support. You get to stay in this membership, in this community, which is priceless, where you can ask questions and get solutions to your challenges in real time. That's the thing that this full program is offering. You're getting leadership coaching and leadership courses and the community and a clear return on investment because you can learn and earn. So, if you're curious about how this program works and what you're getting out of it as a leader that wants to become a dream boss and build a dream team, check the link and check some more details about the program and book a call with me. We can chat to see if this is what you need and this is what helps you in your leadership journey so that you make 2022 a game changing year where you become a game changing leader.